YouTube just made monetization twice as hard to get, which means if you're grinding toward it right now, every watch hour you've earned so far is about to be worth half as much. And if that's you, I won't pretend this doesn't sting. But here's the good news. If you qualify before a certain date, this update won't touch you at all. So right now, to get full monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers plus either 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Starting February 1st, 2027, new applicants will need 1,000 subscribers plus either 8,000 qualified watch hours or 20 million qualified shorts views. That's double the amount. I know a lot of you are going to hate hearing that. If you've been grinding toward the old numbers, this is a huge blow. But here's the important part. This only applies to new applicants. If you're already in the partner program, you keep your spot and you don't get removed. YouTube even confirmed that they expect to pay out more money to creators in 2027 than in 2026. So this isn't so much about paying creators less, but it's more about who gets in. But there's actually another change coming that does affect creators who are already monetized. And if shorts are part of your channel, this is one you need to hear. Starting on that same date, earning money from shorts gets a separate requirement, even if you're already a partner. You'll need 10 million qualified shorts views in the last 90 days to earn ad and subscription revenue from shorts. And this is a rolling number, so YouTube keeps checking it. If you're above 10 million views, you earn from shorts. Drop below it and your shorts revenue pauses. Cross 10 million again later, and it turns back on automatically. Two things matter here. First, you don't get kicked out of the program if you drop below the line. Your long-form videos keep earning like normal. Only the short side pauses. Second, YouTube's reasoning is that creators below this level were earning very small amounts anyway, sometimes just a few cents a month, so they'd rather move that money into something more useful. And that something is change number 3, new ways to earn if you're under the threshold. So for creators below the 10 million mark, YouTube is introducing incentive programs. These are bonus payments for hitting specific milestones instead of tiny amounts of ad revenue. The examples so far include bonuses for uploading consistently over 90 days, bonuses for tagging products with YouTube Shopping, extra payments if you land brand deals, and earnings boosts for starting or growing trends. Full details aren't out yet, but the direction is clear. YouTube wants smaller shorts creators earning through milestones, not through revenue share. The old requirements are still active until February 1st, 2027. That's about 6 months from now. If you're anywhere close to those numbers, this is the time to push, because getting in before that date means you enter under the easier requirements and you keep your spot after the change. Getting in after that date means you need double. And if shorts revenue matters to your channel, check your shorts views over the last 90 days in your analytics. Above 10 million, nothing changes for you. Below it, your shorts ad revenue will pause when the new rules start, and your path to earning becomes those incentive programs. I know this update is a lot, and if you've been putting in the work for months only to watch the finish line move, this one probably feels like a gut punch. Tell me in the comments where your numbers stand right now and whether this changes your plan for the channel. I read all of them. And over the next couple weeks, we're going to push out more videos than normal to help you get monetized faster before this change hits. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll cover the incentive programs the moment YouTube shares the details.